in Deep South Alabama, there is not a lot of stuff that's looking too good this time of year. It's getting to be the fall time, and there's not a lot of interest with plants except for grasses. You can see behind me, this miscanthus is blooming beautifully. It's got this little plume on it, and there's so many different grasses available now. Back in the early and late 90s, it used to be like pampas grass, and that was it. You'd see it at the beach, and it was so far removed from any of our typical residential landscapes, but now there are so many options. This one's blooming kind of a wheat color, which is really beautiful. There's the pink muhly grass, there's purple muhly grass, so there's many different colors, and they all kind of come into their beauty in the fall. So if you're looking for something really special and feathery looking, these grasses might be the perfect solution for your fall garden.